Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope you will be safe and sound. Today, I brought a new topic for you people, that is about how to introduce yourself confidently. Let's begin. Number one, smile warmly. Number two, maintain eye contact. Number three, stand or sit up straight. Number four, start with a friendly greeting. Number five, use a clear, steady voice. Number six, offer a firm handshake. Number seven, state your name clearly. Number eight, share something interesting about yourself. Number nine, keep your introduction brief. Number 10, use positive body language. Number 11, mention your current role or occupation. Number 12, include a recent achievement. Number 13, express your passion or hobbies. Number 14, speak slowly and clearly. Number 15, avoid filler words like and etc. Number 16, practice your introduction. Number 17, listen actively. Number 18, keep a friendly tone. 19, take deep breaths if nervous. 20, share your goals and aspirations. Number 21, the last one, end with a friendly closing statement. Dear viewers, if you have any difficulty in introducing yourself to others, so you may follow these 21 sentences. This will improve your confidence level and your morale, and then you will be able to introduce yourself very confidently with boldness, etc. Take care of yourself. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.